Hello guys, this is Sukhata Kotak this side from EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. आज डिस्कस करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ 5th September 2022. The Union Home Minister Amit Shah launched the mascot and the anthem for the 36th National Games at Trans Stadium in Ahmedabad. The mascot is named as Swach, which means cup in the Gujarat, and the theme is based on the theme of Ek Bharat Shrishta Bharat. The National Games will be organized between September 29 to October 12, 2022 in 6 cities of Gujarat, namely Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Surat, Bhavnagar, and Rajkot. ISRO successfully tests Inflatable Aerodynamic Decelerator. IAD is a game changer with multiple applications for future missions, including Mars and Venus. It has been systematically reduced the velocity of the payload through the aerodynamic track, which was followed by and predicted by a trajectory. Former US President Barack Obama wins Emmy for narrating the documentary series Our Great National Park. This was a Netflix documentary series that is Our Great National Parks. It was a 5-part show which featured national parks from the globe and was produced by Barack and Michelle Obama production company, that is the Higher Ground. India's Arvind Chidambaram wins Dubai's chess tournament. The first question for the day is, when is the International Day of Charity observed? The second question is, 36th National Games will be held in which state of India? The answers to the previous questions are, as per the latest figures from the IMF, September 2022, which country is the 5th largest economy in the world? The correct answer is option B, India. Who is the head of the expert committee constituted by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways on EV battery safety standards? The correct answer is option A, Tata Group. Which Indian state or union territory launched the country's first virtual school? The correct answer is New Delhi. As per the latest NCRB report, the highest number of sedition cases were registered in which case? The correct answer is in the state of Assam. That's it, guys. Mention the correct answers in the comment box below. For more such MCQs, you can download the app from the link which is given in the description box below. We also conduct classroom lectures. The facilities are available in Dombivli and Ghatkopar. Also, live class, recorded lectures, books, ebooks, and test facilities are provided. For more information, you can contact on the number which you can see on your screens.